Should someone with no injuries from their car or truck accident still file a claim or file a lawsuit?
Hi folks, and welcome back to Hammer TV. I'm Jim Adler, the Texas Hammer, and we're continuing on with our Frequently Asked Questions series. Today, where we tackle some of the most common questions that we get from clients and the general public. The answer to today's question has lots of layers and isn't necessarily as straightforward as it might initially seem. So let's go ahead and dive in and discuss this question. Should someone with no injuries from their car or truck accident still make a claim or file a lawsuit?
If you or a loved one were in a car or truck accident and truly weren't hurt, first count your blessings. And then, if you're truly not hurt, there's no need to assert a claim or file a lawsuit against anyone to recover for injuries since there were none. With that being said, there are a few cautionary notes to take here. It's very common for folks to feel relatively okay in the immediate aftermath of an accident. Between adrenaline, nerves, and shock, it's easy for someone to not realize that they've been hurt, or to not feel the true extent of their injuries until days afterwards. And even then, some injuries that initially seem minor, but then don't heal properly or take a very long time to heal, can have long-lasting consequences on a person's life. And even in the absence of physical injury, or in a situation where physical injuries may be minor, you also need to consider non-physical losses, such as property damage if your vehicle is damaged or totaled, rental car expenses and lost income if you need to seek medical attention or can't use your car to get to work. In these cases, you still have a right to make a claim or file a lawsuit for those damages, since your life wouldn't have been negatively impacted had the accident never happened.
If you have questions about this information or would like to discuss your case, you can get in touch with Jim Adler and Associates via the contact form at jimadler.com or by giving us a call at 1-800-567-7575.